Now welcome back to the class. This is our 6th class on number-based system. So I hope you have watched all the previous 5 videos. If you haven't watched it, please, you can go to my channel directly at AdedolapoAkanmu to watch the previous videos so that you can understand this topic that we are treating. As you already know that we are on a journey to understand mathematics, so we are using a particular textbook as our reference book. We are going to treat all the topics on that textbook. So we are almost done with this particular topic, so let's get on with it. How to divide binary numbers with each other using the long division. Actually, you can convert this to base 10 and this also to base 10 and then divide them to make it easier, but most time we are not given the instruction to do that. We may be given the instruction that just divide this using the long division. Now, how to go about it? Please feel free to like and comment on my videos, share for other people's benefit, and subscribe. Please don't forget to subscribe, please. Now we are going to do the division. Now it's so very easy. If you have to divide this with this, we take this 2, this is 1 1. We know 1 1 is probably is greater than 1, is greater than 1 0, all in base 2. So we take the first 3 digits. 1 1 1 0 1 is greater than this. So whatever that you are going to divide, 1 1 in 1 0 1 is 1. As you know that we are only doing base base 2, so we have just 2 digits, 0 and 1. So no matter what you divide, it cannot be greater than 1, so it's 1. So you now deduct 1 1 from 1 0 1 now. So if you deduct 1 1 from 1 0 1 in base 2, 1 minus 1 is 0. You know you cannot subtract 1 from 0, so you brought 1 here to make it 2. As you know that we are working with binary numbers now, 2 minus 1 is 1. So which means if you divide 1 0 1 with 1 1 is 1 remainder this, remainder 1 0. So after that, you know 1 0 is less than 1 1, so you bring the next number here, the next number, this one, so here, so making 1 0 0. Now 1 1 in 1 0 0 is also 1. You cannot get more than that. So again, you subtract 1 1 from 1 0 0. So if you borrow this one here, it becomes 2 here, right? If you borrow 1 from here again, it becomes 2 here. So this one will be left with 1. Okay, so subtract 1 from 2, we have 1. Subtract 1 from 1, we have 0, right? So which means if you divide 1 0 0 by 1 1, you get 1 remainder 1. Now we are left with this one. You bring it here, 1. Now 1 1 in 1 1 is also 1, you know, which means we have gotten to the last part of it, since we don't have anything to divide again. So which means therefore 1 0 1 0 1 divided by 1 1 base 2 is equal to what? 1 1 1 base 2. So that is our final answer, 1 1 1 base 2. So thank you. Don't forget to like and comment on my videos. Please make sure to subscribe. Thanks.